In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create dimensions or sizes on Figma. This process is crucial for designing with precision and making sure that your interfaces look exactly how you envision them in your creative mind. So let's dive right in and break down each step to ensure you have a seamless experience. First off, you'll want to open up your web browser and go to the Figma website. Figma is a fantastic collaborative interface design tool that's essential for any designer working today. Once there, you'll notice an option to log in. Whether you're using Google, Facebook, or another method, sign in with your existing credentials to gain access to your Figma workspace. Upon logging in, you'll be directed to your Figma home. This is essentially your hub where you'll find all your projects, recent files, teams, and design drafts. It's a great organizational feature that allows you to quickly access the projects you're currently working on or revisit past designs. Once you're settled into the home base, head over to the design section. By clicking on design, you're stepping into the canvas where all the magic happens. Here, your creative prowess takes flight, surrounded by an array of tools and options designed to bring your ideas to life. Next, let's focus on accessing the main menu. This is found at the top left of your Figma interface. The main menu is like your control center, providing a comprehensive list of options and settings to tweak your design environment. It's an area that, when mastered, can significantly enhance your workflow and efficiency. Inside the main menu, you'll want to locate and click on View. This drop-down is where you'll customize how you see and interact with your design canvas. Having a clear and organized viewing setup is vital to creating clean designs. Now comes a crucial tool for aligning and measuring: the rulers. Click on Rulers within the View menu. This tool will enable rulers around your canvas, an essential step for making precise measurements and getting those dimensions exactly right. By enabling rulers, you ensure that each element of your design is aligned and spaced just as you need it to be. Remember, using rulers can greatly enhance the precision of your designs. You'll find these immensely helpful when aligning elements and ensuring everything is neatly positioned. Don't be shy to play around with them and see what works best for your particular design needs. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll set yourself up for success when creating dimensions or sizes in Figma. Take your time to get familiar with these tools and you'll be designing with enhanced precision and efficiency in no time. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.